Hello students, have a nice day. Today I'll let to clear the long answer of the third lesson, that is deep water. आप अपनी जो राजीव प्रकाशन की पुस्तक है हमारे यहाँ प्रिस्क्राइब है इस साल, उसमें अगर आप दूसरा लॉन्ग आंसर ओपन करेंगे, व्हाट इंसिडेंट डिड डगलस फेस टू एट द पूल, व्हाट वाज इट्स इफेक्ट ऑन हिज लाइफ। अगर आप इसको ओपन करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा, इस समय सभी इंटरमीडिएट फाइनल छात्रों की बिल्कुल प्रिपरेशन चल रही होगी। एक एक वक्त, एक एक मिनट उनको, एवरी स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट यूज हिज एवरी मिनट, बिकॉज जब कभी एग्ज़ाम पे आप बैठते हो तो फिर आपको वही कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो आपको याद नहीं आती हैं और आप कहीं ना कहीं अपने को असमर्थ महसूस करते हो। और हमने तो यही सोचा है कि कभी भी किसी कंपटीशन पे 65-70% आपका पूरा तैयार होता है, बस 10-20% से ही हम मात खाते हैं। देखने का प्रयास करें। द लेसन डीप वाटर रिटन बाई विलियम डगलस। ही वॉज बॉर्न इन मेन मिनेटोला in 1898. When he was a young boy, he wanted to learn swimming, but he had a great fear of water. In his life, there happened an incident. As he was a boy of 3 or 4 years old, he was with his father at California beach. He was hanging to his father when he was knocked down by waves. After some years, he came at YMCA pool to complete his desire of swimming. Seeing other boys, he also started swimming. One day, he came to the pool something before and waited for others. After some time, a young and healthy boy, came there. He shouted he should be perhaps 18 or 19 years old. Lesson describes 18 years old. He was a powerful physical specimen with legs and arms muscles, legs and arms that should rippling muscles. He cried. कमेंट को हम बिगिन करेंगे। ही हाई स्किनी, जिसको हम हिंदी में पतलू कहते हैं। हाउ डू लाइक टू बी डॉक्टर, interjection mark comma question mark comma closed. He picked up him and threw him into the pool just for only fun. Youngsters are always fool, and whatever he did that time just only for fool. But Douglas did not know how to swim, and he went to the bottom of the pool directly. And when he was going to the bottom, he made a plan to hit and jump and swim to the edge. But his plan was failed. It often happens in the life. We think something, but happens others. So his plan was failed, and nobody was there to help him or to save him. He cried underwater, but its use was nothing. At last, he surrendered before conditions and became unconscious. After some time, he felt that someone saved his life from drowning. The event affected his life for a long time. He never returned to the pool. He also never went for fishing, but by his inner inspiration and with hard work, he learned swimming and to clear his doubts. We have seen advertisement डर के आगे जीत है. If we have fear, then we cannot do anything. He worked hard to finish his doubt. He also struggled hard, and after this, he also appointed a teacher, and with the help of a teacher, he became a expert swimmer. This is the long answer of the third lesson, that is deep water. That's all for this period. If you have liked this, please subscribe my channel and like and share this. That's all.